Yeah, two things going up in this particular trade. So once it touched up here and it's trying to come to this particular support, which was my entry area, I think it will be coming back to that particular area where you guys can also enter for long. If there is a rejection here, we can enter for long and we can make some profit in scalping here. Perfectly, it was testing this and now it went long. There is a rejection from the below, that means it can go long now. Is there, it can come to this area to retest again, I feel so, if this particular support, I mean the resistance, is not breaking up sooner. Looking to close the ETH near that ETH, we are looking to close over here almost 37 to 38. Almost we reached our target, that is 38, and those are still looking to hold it for 39. So 38 was the maximum, so 37 it was reaching 37.47. We have booked the profit in ETH.